today the topic of so hello today the topic of Boolean function. So this is the number system, and this is the next part of Boolean function, and this is also used in addition, multiplication, and complementation, and it is applied for digital circuit. So Boolean function means a Boolean function is an expression format with binary variable The two binary operators are or and AND. The unary operation not paramount this and an equal sign. So if one is I suppose a number, suppose a function solve f1, and this is the x y var z. Okay, so where the to so I explain the truth table of two part of n combination is a binary two part of n. So the truth table two part of n combination. So for the function f1 is equal to 1 when x is 1 and y is 0. So y 0 and z is 1, otherwise f1 is 0. Okay, so the function f1 is equal to 1 when x is 1, y is 0, and z is 1, otherwise f1 is 0. Okay, so f2 is I write another function f2 x bar y bar z plus x bar y z plus x bar y z plus x y bar. And another function f3d x y bar x z bar z bar. Okay, so there are the truth table and there is the function total function to q8. Okay, so I write the function truth table x y z. Okay, and f1 and f1 f2 f3. So there's the x 0 0 0 0. So f1 is there's a f1 function x y z. So there's a 0 and 0 0. So f1 0, f2 is 0, and f3 is 0. So there's the next 0 0 1 function, and there's a 0 1 function. There's f1 0 0, and f2 is 1, and there's f3 0, and the 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 0. So there's a function last one 0 0 0. So this is a Boolean function, and this is the truth table of Boolean function. Okay, and after that we find the laws of Boolean function. Okay, so the laws of Boolean function. Formula of Boolean function. So Boolean function formula. Okay, so Boolean function apply for digital circuit. So this is apply for digital circuit. Okay, so there's the basic law of Boolean. Okay, the basic law of Boolean. So basic law of Boolean. The first law is addition. The addition function. Addition is the sum of addition. Okay. So the first law addition, so 0 plus 0 equal to 0, and that 0 plus 1 equal to 1. After that 1 plus 0 equal to 1. After that 1 plus 1 equal to 1. So there is the OR operation. The OR operation. There is the OR operation. Okay. After that multiplication. That multiplication. So the multiplication is 0 into 0 plus 0. After that 0 into 1 equal to 0. That 1 equal to 0 into 0, and last 1 into 1 equal to 1. This is the AND operation. This is the AND operation. Okay. So after that complementation. So complementation, and this is also called invert. Okay. So this is a 0 bar equal to 1, and this is the 1 bar equal to 0, and this is also invert. When 0 bar, this is also convert 1, and this is 1 bar, this also convert 0, and this is the not operation. So the others law of Boolean function. Okay. So others law, what is the law? A plus 0 equal to a. A plus 1 equal to 1. A plus a equal to a. A plus a bar equal to 1. A plus 0 equal to 0. A plus a into 0 equal to 0. That's the a plus a bar equal to 1. That's it. So a into 1, when a into 1 equal to a, as the a into a equal to a, is the a into a bar equal to 0. Okay. So there's the next properties of Boolean function. Okay. So there's the next properties of Boolean function. Properties of Boolean function. So the properties of Boolean function, there are more property of Boolean function. So the number one property is the commutative property. So commutative property. Commutative property. So the commutative property is the function where the a plus b equal a plus b, when this is the b plus a. Next, a into b equal to b into a. Okay. And there's the next property is associative property. Associative property. The next one is associative property. The associative property is the a plus b a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. Okay. The next, a into bc equal to ab into c. The next topic, next property is the distributive property. Distributed property. So the distributive property is the a plus bc equal to a plus b and a plus c. Okay, so example, when a is 0 and b is 1 and c is 1. So when a is 0, b is 1, c is 1. So the property is the 0 plus 1 into 1. So 1, so 0 plus 1 and 0 plus 1. So 1 into 1, okay. So 1 into 1 into, so equal to 1. Into 1 equal to 1. So they are the next. So they are the next topic. So they are the next example is a distributive property is the next one is the a into b plus c equal to ab plus ac. Okay, and number 4 property is the absorption property. Absorption property. Absorption property is the example. The law is the a plus ab equal to a. So how it is 7? So there is the a plus ab. So there's a is the common, so 1 plus b. So a into 1, so 1 plus b equal to 1. So a into 1 equal to a. There is the left hand side equal to right hand side proved. Okay, and after the next formula is the a plus b equal to a. So how it is proved? A plus a plus b. So left hand side a plus b. So that is the a into a plus a into b. Okay, so a into a equal to a plus a into b. So there is the a is common, so 1 plus b. So 1 plus b, so a into 1 and a. So prove right hand side. Okay. So after that, the number 3 is the a plus a word b. I love everything. Fire spreading. So a plus a word b equal to a plus b. A plus b. So left hand side equal to, so left hand side equal to a plus a by b. So according to the distributive law, a plus bc, a plus bc equal to a plus b and a plus c. So there is the a plus a bar. So there is the according to distributive law. So I explain a plus bc equal to a plus b and a plus c. Okay. So there is the, a plus a bar, a plus a bar and a plus b. So a plus a equal to 1 and a plus b. So the function, so there's the a plus b proved. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. Okay. So after that we explain the De Morgan theorem. Okay. So after that we explain De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so the De Morgan's theorem, it is the two variable, two variable, okay. So there is the a and b. So the De Morgan's first theorem is the a into b whole bar equal to a bar plus b bar. Okay, that's the first law of De Morgan's theorem. Okay, then the second law is the a plus b whole bar equal to a bar into b bar. That is the second law. After that, we example a proof a diagram of whole formula, all formula in diagram. Okay, so let's see the diagram. So this diagram I explain whole formula, all formula in a formula in a diagram. So this is the advance. This is the a bar b bar a plus b a b a plus b whole bar a bar into b bar a b whole bar a bar into b bar. Okay, so that is the first a equal to 0 b equal to 0. Okay, so that is the a bar equal to 1. Then there is the, so when 0 and it is always inverse and b equal to 1, so a plus b equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0 and ab equal to 0 into 0 into 0, and there is a plus b 0 plus 0 whole bar equal to 1 and a bar into b bar 1, so ab into 1 and a bar to 1. The a equal to 0 b equal to 1, so 0 into 1, so a bar equal to 1 and b bar equal to 0. Okay, so 1 inverse equal to 0, so a plus b equal to 1 plus 0 equal to 1 and ab equal to 1 into 0 equal to 0 and a plus b whole bar equal to 0 into 1 equal to 1 and this whole bar equal to 0. A bar into b bar equal to 0 and a b bar whole 1 and a bar into 1. So there is the a 1 and 0. So there is the a bar equal to 0, b bar equal to 1, a plus b equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1 and ab equal to 1 into 0 equal to 0 and a plus b whole bar equal to 0. A bar into b bar equal to 0, a b bar whole bar equal to 1 and a bar into b bar equal to 1. There is a into 1 and b is b equal to 1. So there is a bar equal to 0, b bar equal to 0. There is the after a plus b equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 1 and ab equal to ab and ab 1 to 1 equal to 1 and a plus b whole bar equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 1 and there is the inverse and equal to 0 and a bar into b bar equal to 0 and a into b bar whole bar equal to 0 and a bar into b bar equal to 0. So that is the main topic of the 9, there's the 9 10 and the 7 8. There's the 9 10, there's the for 1 for 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There's the 9 10 formula and the 7 8 formula is the De Morgan's theorem. Okay, and the 9 formula is the 9 formula is the De Morgan theorem and 7 8 formula is the De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so after that you prove a solution. Okay, so last example, so after that at last we prove a solution. So there is the ab plus bc plus b bar c. So we also prove ab plus c. Okay, so at once, so ab plus c equal to, ab plus, so that is c is common factor, so I common c, so b plus b bar. Okay, so there is the ab plus c, b plus b bar equal to 1, so c into 1, there is the ab plus c, there is the left hand side equal to right hand side. So that is the, so there is the all, so there is I all explain the Boolean function and mode formula. So in further period I also explain number system. So okay, thank you so much.